Hello everybody, today I am going to be doing a review on a much loved beauty product by myself and by many others. This is called the Ultra Moisture Extra Creamy Plus Coconut Oil Miracle Oil Lotion. The description says, indulge in this ultra hydrating blend enriched with coconut oil, essence of tiare, and vanilla bean extract. Restore moisture to even the driest skin with this fast-absorbing, rich and creamy tropical blend. It's by the brand OGX, Beauty Pure and Simple. There is quite a bit of product. This is a huge bottle. It's about the size of a shampoo or conditioner bottle that you would normally find. This brand also does make a really awesome shampoo and conditioner. Coconut oil kinds, all kinds, Moroccan oil. It's awesome, honestly. So it says why you want it. Envelop your body in the creamiest, velvetiest moisture you've ever felt. This crafted blend gives you extra moisture while enticing your senses with exotic tropical notes that leave you feeling as though you're relaxing in a tropical oasis. So what you do, it says, is to massage generously all over your body in the morning and at night. So obvious, it's lotion. It does say, which is a plus, that their bottles are eco-friendly, manufactured with materials containing recycled post-consumer resin. The ingredient list, there's just water, glycerin, usual lotion, ingredients, coconut oil. It does have the extracts that it claims to have. I'm not sure if all of this is natural. This would be interesting to know. I'm pretty sure it is. It is not tested on animals and made in the USA. That is so rare, both of those and then together. So many beauty products I refuse to buy because if I initially know that a beauty product tests on animals, I will not buy it. It's cool in my opinion. I think that many brands can definitely opt without it. I'm really happy that this brand does. I love this brand. And the fact that it is made in the USA makes it really awesome too, because it's like, you know where your product is coming from. It's coming where you're living. Not that all products overseas are bad. That's definitely not what I'm saying. But it is nice to have a product in the USA. It's rare. Earth-friendly, reduce, reuse, recycle. So this brand is very eco-friendly. They want you to recycle. They want you to use their products. I personally love this product. Now, I've had this product for about 3 months now. I've barely used any, and I use this every single day. It's because you don't need a lot of product. The quality is not having to do with the quantity with this. A little bit goes a long way. It moisturizes so well, so light, you feel amazing, especially after you take a shower and you shave your legs, or if you don't, whatever. It feels amazing. Like, it smells amazing. The smell is very, very sweet. So if you don't like that, you're not going to like this. If you're hypersensitive to fragrances, even if they are natural, I'm not sure if you'll break out or something from this because it is super sweet. You can definitely smell the vanilla. You can smell that coconut, but it smells so good. It is stronger, so after a while it does start to wear off, but if you initially put it on, it might counteract with your perfume weird, depending. But if you're a coconut lover or a vanilla lover, this will mesh completely well with your routine. As for the packaging, it is thinner, but it is eco-friendly, so I'm not really complaining about that. I don't think it's necessary to have the thickest packaging. I really like the label. I think it's really cute, the holographic label. The bottle feels smooth all in itself. I will show you what the product looks like so you guys can kind of see what the consistency is, and we will go on from there. So I just put a little bit on my arm right here so you can kind of see the consistency. It's not colored, which is awesome, so there's no dyes or anything like that, which I know can irritate people's skin to the max. It feels so soothing and calming on my skin. It doesn't irritate me. It doesn't cause me to break out. It's awesome, you know what I mean? And when I use it with coconut oil, it's even better. That's if you're going for a crazy moisturizing regimen. Let's say if I was going to the beach, I would definitely mix them just for that glow and for the smell of this one, because it smells so freaking amazing. And I use this head to toe. I would definitely not recommend putting this on your face. I'm not sure how it would react with your face, just because your face is a lot more sensitive than your body. But as for an all over body moisturizer, this works wonders. It does everything that it says it's going to do. I was thoroughly surprised that it was. Just because I got it from a local drugstore, I wasn't expecting it to be, it's not extremely expensive either. It's actually very affordable everywhere that I've seen it, which is wonderful. I love how much it comes with. It's just, I don't know, when I buy a product and there's a lot of it and it's a good quality, it makes me happy. It's rare. I'm not sure I know a lot of other people like this brand. I don't know what they think about the lotion. I know that they love their shampoos and conditioners, which I have used as well. A couple of them weren't my favorite. The Moroccan oil one just didn't seem to do it for me, but the coconut oil one I really, really enjoyed. But there are tons of formulas, and honestly, Moroccan oil might have been too heavy for my hair, which is definitely probably why it did not do what it said it was going to do, but that's not their fault. This product is amazing, truly. Another thing that I like about it is that it absorbs into your skin quickly. A lot of lotions I put on, like cheaper, like dollar store lotions that I've been dumb enough to buy. Not that I don't love the dollar store, but for beauty products, it's either a hit or a miss. This one was a miss. I just bought, like a big bottle. It did not absorb into my skin. Like, it was like a film was left on my skin, and I felt really gross. I felt like I needed to take another shower. That is a problem. That means that the ingredients that they're using are not natural enough to where they will easily absorb into your skin like natural coconut oil would, something like that. There is something wrong. There is too much glycerin. There is too much something in there that's not making it absorb into your skin. So then, like, afterwards, I would like see it, like if I was in the car in the sun, and I'm like, oh, this looks strange. I have like a white film on my arm. But this one, like, if I left it on my skin in like a dry area overnight, I bet you it would absorb. Like, I would honestly be surprised if it didn't. I just think that the lotion was formulated to do what it says it's supposed to do, which is to moisturize your skin, not do anything else. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this product review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.